YouTube, Joseph Balmer here, and this morning I'm going to show you this Lisle pneumatic fan clutch tool. It is Lisle part number 43300. Okay, it comes with a kit. I've used this a couple times already. It's a really nice kit. All you need is one, the kit, and two, an air hammer. That slides into the air hammer, as you can see. Then you find the appropriate wrench for your fan clutch. Let's see, what size is this one going to be? This one unfortunately is not the easiest to reach, but looks like on this truck it's going to be 1 7/8 inches. So we're going to get that. I'll put the wrench on the end of the air hammer, on the attachment for the air hammer. Slide it over on the flat here. There we go. Slide it over the nut on the fan clutch. Connect our air hose. I am not loosening this. I haven't messed with it. And this is a right-hand thread. Just like that. 2 little bumps, and it broke it loose. That is how easy and nice this thing is. It works that quick. So if you're doing a lot of these fan clutches, and you've ever had to beat on them with a hammer to remove them, you know how big of a pain in the butt it can be with a normal fan clutch wrench or just a regular wrench. The price of that kit is well worth the decreased aggravation of getting these fans off. As you can see, that's how easy it is to get this thing off. Again, that Lisle part number was 43300, and it comes with the attachment for the air hammer and 6 different size wrenches for different size fan clutches. So do me a favor, guys, rate the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Put your questions you have in the comment section. And do me a favor, check out the links down in the description for this video. I've got a couple down there for a charity. So please do me a favor, check that out. And share this with your friends. I really appreciate it when you guys share my videos. Oh, and there we go. Just that. Well, what the hell? Oh, fan's loose. The fan's loose, but the fan shroud, I'm going to have to do a little work to get it out. So, like I said, guys, thanks for watching.